These are not just motorcycles, these are legends on two wheels. From raw Ironheads to rare Knuckleheads, fully rebuilt classics to ride-ready beasts. Every bike in this list has history, attitude, and serious value. Prices, locations, and details you don't want to miss. Let's dive into today's rare Harley-Davidson finds. Number 1. 1977 Harley-Davidson XLH1000 Ironhead Sportster from Copperell, Texas. Starting this list strong from Copperell, Texas, we have a 1977 XLH1000 Ironhead Sportster that is absolutely not for the faint of heart. This bike has been rebuilt from front to back, featuring a freshly rebuilt engine and transmission, a brand new Springer front end, new tires, brakes, wiring, ignition, and a hard-tailed original frame. Powered by a 10cc 4-speed with electric start, it also comes equipped with S&S Super E carb, 2-inch drag pipes, and a 4.2-gallon tank. Finished in metallic brown paint, it's raw, aggressive, and full of Ironhead attitude. Clean Texas title in hand, this one just needs a little love to be back on the road. Number 2. 2003 Harley-Davidson 100th Anniversary Fatboy FLS TFI from New River, Arizona. Located in New River, Arizona, this 2003 Harley-Davidson 100th Anniversary Fatboy is a true collector-grade motorcycle. Fuel-injected and highly upgraded, it shows just over 20,000 miles and has been exceptionally well maintained. With a clean title, 2 sets of keys, fresh oil, a new battery, and brand new tires, this bike is fully serviced and ready to ride immediately. Beyond its condition, what really sets this Fatboy apart is its anniversary status and tasteful upgrades that enhance performance without sacrificing originality. Whether you're looking for a reliable long-distance cruiser or a standout piece for a serious Harley collection, this Fatboy checks every box and needs absolutely nothing. Number 3. 2000 Harley-Davidson Dyna FXDX from Ridgewood, New York. This 2000 Harley-Davidson Dyna FXDX from Ridgewood, New York is a rider's bike through and through. Originally red, it now wears green FXD tins from a 1996 model, giving it a unique look that stands out from stock Dynas. While the exact mileage is unknown, the bike starts easily, runs strong, and is ready to be ridden anywhere without hesitation. It keeps things simple with no bar-mounted gauges and minimal distractions, focusing instead on pure riding experience. Clean title in hand and open to offers or trades, this FXDX is ideal for someone who wants a solid, no-frills Dyna with personality and proven reliability. Number 4. 1999 Harley-Davidson Ultra Classic from Chesapeake Beach, Maryland. Coming from Chesapeake Beach, Maryland, this 1999 Ultra Classic has been stripped down and transformed into a street glide-style bagger. It features a cam plate upgrade with cams, tensioners, and adjustable pushrods, along with true dual exhaust that gives it a strong, deep V-twin sound. Custom touches like a painted inner fairing, LED lighting, stretched bags, and a carbon fiber front fender elevate it far beyond stock. Despite its custom look, this bike remains clean, well-sorted, and comfortable for long rides. It's a great option for riders who want touring capability with a modernized, aggressive appearance and without the price tag of a newer bagger. Number 5. 1932 Harley-Davidson VL Flathead 74 cubic inches from Durham, Connecticut. This 1932 Harley-Davidson VL Flathead 74 cubic inches from Durham, Connecticut is a rare piece of American motorcycle history. Finished in silent gray fellow paint, it retains a strong collection of original and period-correct components, including original exhaust, mufflers, HD wheels, and a Corbin speedometer showing under 5,000 miles. The bike is loaded with extras while still maintaining its classic pre-war character. For collectors and vintage enthusiasts, opportunities like this don't come around often. Number 6. 2005 Harley-Davidson Fatboy Screamin Eagle CVO, Buckhannon, West Virginia.
From Buckhannon, West Virginia, we have a 2005 Fatboy Screamin Eagle CVO loaded with upgrades. This bike has been well cared for and offers CVO-level performance and style. Whether you're looking to buy or trade, this Fatboy brings premium Harley power and presence to the table. Number 7. 1969 Harley-Davidson FLH, Crown Point, Indiana. Out of Crown Point, Indiana, this 1969 Harley-Davidson FLH has undergone a complete ground-up rebuild with fewer than 700 miles since completion. The frame components have been powder-coated, while the motor, transmission, wheels, and forks have all been professionally rebuilt. New electrical, tires, suspension, lighting, and fresh chrome complete the package. The result is a classic FLH that looks vintage but rides like a freshly built machine. With modern reliability upgrades and timeless styling, this bike offers the best of both worlds for riders who love classic Harleys without constant maintenance worries. Number 8. 1941 Harley-Davidson LW Flathead from Clovis, California. This 1941 Harley-Davidson LW Flathead from Clovis, California was built with TROG racing in mind. It features an original frame with matching belly numbers and a freshly rebuilt transmission. The engine currently wet sumps and will need an oil pump, but most of the original pre-built parts are still available for an additional cost. It's a true old-school project with serious potential, whether you want to finish it as a period-correct racer or return it closer to stock. For builders and vintage race fans, this WL offers authenticity and history you simply can't recreate. Number 9. 1947 Harley-Davidson EL Knucklehead from Melbourne, Florida. Located in Melbourne, Florida, this 1947 EL Knucklehead is as real as it gets. Featuring matching cases, a clean title, electric and kickstart, and a Paku wishbone frame, this bike is mechanically sound and ready to be enjoyed. Knuckleheads of this caliber are becoming increasingly difficult to find. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's an investment-grade classic with undeniable presence and heritage. For serious buyers who understand the value of a true knucklehead, this one speaks for itself. Number 10. 1999 Harley-Davidson Road King Classic from Tungsboro, Massachusetts. Wrapping up the list from Tungsboro, Massachusetts, this 1999 Road King Classic offers timeless touring style and proven Harley reliability. Finished in blue, it delivers the classic Road King look that never goes out of style. The seller is open to negotiation and even trade options, making this a flexible deal for the right buyer. It's a solid platform for long rides, customization, or simply enjoying one of Harley's most iconic touring models. So, which Harley would you ride home? Drop your favorite in the comments, hit like if you love classic iron, and subscribe for daily rare motorcycles, real prices, and real listings. More legendary Harleys coming next. Don't miss it.